All righty, welcome to Eklind Tool Company. Glad to have you here visiting us today. Wish you were here in person, but unfortunately we can't do that. So let's move on to the next slide. We're really proud of the fact that our product is made in the USA. We've been doing that for a long, long time, ever since 1950. So that means we've been making hex keys now for 70 years. I've only been here for half of that. It was the second half of that, not the first. We're really proud of the strength and the ductility of our product. Those are the two most important things that you should look for in a hex key, and probably lots of other hand tools as well. You have to have the strength that's going to bust loose a stubborn fastener. But the important thing that a lot of people forget every once in a while is ductility. Ductility means that you're going to feel a little bit of flex when the tool is being over torqued slightly. When it's being over torqued a little bit, the ductility, the flex in the tool is a warning signal to the user that you're reaching the capacity of the tool. And if the tool is over torqued, if it breaks, the type of break that you want is a clean break in two pieces, not multiple pieces, not blowing up and shooting out little shards of steel. And that's for the safety of the user. You have to have a good, clean break whenever the product breaks. There's some people that tout having extra hard product. And in a lot of cases, if one of those tools breaks, you're going to get a jagged break. And a lot of times, if the product is torqued in an uneven fashion, you could end up with a jagged break if the tool isn't heat treated properly. Any good product is an interface between the threaded fastener and the human hand. So what's important is what's on the tip side and also what's on the grip side. And the grip is where we do a lot of product differentiation. Tips, we provide hex tips. Six-sided tip goes into the six-sided hexagonal fastener. Ball hex tip comes in at an angle for easy entry and speed of operation. The Torx tip is a proprietary design by a company named Eklind Technologies, and that Torx fastener is star-shaped, and the Torx tip engages the star-shaped fastener. We've been in folding sets all the way back to 1950, and in the lower left-hand side of the screen, you see our classic steel folding set. It's what the company first got into with hex keys, and it's still a very, very popular part of the product line because it's compact and it'll slide in and out of your pocket real easily. For about 20 years now, we've been making our ErgoFold sets. A little bit bigger handle, which makes it more ergonomic. You, at a right angle, you can bust loose the stubborn fastener. When the tip is straight out, that allows you to spin like a screwdriver. Most of the time the product is used, it's used in the straight out position. Again, we emphasize the grip here because that provides extra comfort and extra safety. There is ribbed edges along the side of the tool that makes it nice and comfortable in the hand, but it's also there for slip resistance. A lot of times our product is being used in a place where there might be a little bit of grease or a little bit of oil, so that extra textured grip comes in way handy. that's the way the tool is typically used. L key sets. For the longest period of time, that's been the most common hex key that's available. We have a full assortment of keys that are available in the L key sets, going all the way from 0.028 inches all the way up to a 2-inch diameter. So whatever the job that you're looking for, we've got an L key that'll do that for you. You would put in the short tip to get the most torque. You'd put in the long arm tip for reach and for speed. For our most common sizes, we've got compact holders that hold the keys in place, and the holders are marked with the sizes.
Got a quick video on this as well. There we go.
The black and white shows what you'd be doing if you didn't have a ball end. With the ball end, you can get in and out a lot faster. T-key sets give you extra reach and extra leverage. We believe there's two types of mechanics in the world in really, really broad categories. One type is a person that has to take their tools to the job site. Those people are best off using the loop style T-handle because they fit very compact and stack very nicely, and they can get into a tool bag real easily. The power T-handle grip is typically used more by people that have a bench where they can work, and the work is coming to them. A guy that's in a tool and die shop, maybe somebody that's an auto mechanic that's got room to keep their T-keys, maybe in a stand or maybe in a bigger toolbox. That's got the most comfortable grip available. The core is solid steel. It's not a plasticky sort of handle that you'd see from Asia. On the inside of there is a solid steel handle covered with two plastics. The soft plastic gives you that comfort, and again, it's ribbed for slip resistance and for safety.
Got a video on this as well.
Again, the black and white shows you what you'd be doing if you didn't have a ball end. So again, you've got the strength, the big handle for extra torque, and the extra long reach to get into places that you wouldn't get into otherwise. And of course, we also have screwdriver handle versions. The traditional style handle that you see up at the top is a really durable handle. We're never going to promote people pounding on a tool, but we know it happens. And the traditional handle is the one that's going to meet those sorts of challenges the best. And we also have the precision screwdriver handle that gives you that's best for small size fasteners. It's comfortable and again, slip resistant. There's a spinner cap on top of there, which will allow you to put it in your hand easily and turn the fastener real easily.
And last one.
So we've got the right tools for the job. We support our distributors with our great reps like GRS Stohler that are out there ready to help you. We're happy to promote with you, and we're happy to get more product out into the hands of your customers.